Okay, so after what, 2.5 months of waiting on back order, the Fujifilm X-M5 has finally arrived. So I am going to unbox it for you. All right, some paperwork here. More paperwork for Capture One software, which I'll never use. Ah, there it is. Beautiful. They call this the content creator's camera. Flip out screen. Mic jack is on the back, so if you're doing something like vlogging, you won't have any interference from any of that stuff. Up top, on the left, it has all the Fujifilm film simulations on the dial, which is nice. I must say, this is a tiny camera. From a guy who has pretty big hands, it's definitely very small. But yeah, beautiful. Let's see what else we got in the box. I'll set this right here. More packing. Strap. The classic Fujifilm NPW126S. I have several of these, many of them, which is great. But it doesn't come with any charger. So if you're going to charge your camera, matter of fact, I'm assuming it's in here somewhere. I was told, at least I thought I read, that it comes with a charging cable. However, I don't see it. Now, I have Fujifilm chargers, so it's not a big deal for me, but I'm curious. No. So if you want to charge your camera, charge the battery in your camera, you'll have to use this right here to charge it and to have the battery inside if you don't have a charger. So if you're buying your first Fujifilm camera, you won't have any charger for this. You'll have to put it in here and you'll have to go out and get a USB-C charging cable. Yeah, that's everything. Brand new. Looks beautiful. See you in the next video.